Easirent review, honest user experience with this car rental website. Renting a car can be stressful, but Easirent promises a smooth, affordable experience. I tested it, and here's my honest take. Most people get this wrong, thinking all rental websites are the same. The surprising truth is Easirent combines competitive pricing, clear terms, and a user-friendly interface. Booking was easy. I selected pickup location, dates, and car type, and the platform instantly displayed available options with transparent pricing. Filters helped me narrow choices by fuel type, transmission, and features. Payment is secure, with instant confirmation. Customer service is responsive, assisting with changes, additional drivers, and insurance questions. Pick-up and drop-off processes were straightforward, with minimal paperwork. The downside is that some locations have limited vehicle options, especially during peak season. Still, the combination of price transparency and ease of use makes Easirent a solid choice. In conclusion, Easirent is a reliable, user-friendly car rental platform that simplifies booking and offers competitive pricing. For travelers looking for convenience and value, it's worth considering.